United Parcel Service, UPS, Earnings Release Analysis. August 8, 2023 Pre-Market. Please like, share and comment on this video. Appreciate your support. Disclaimer. This video is only for technical education purpose. Results does not promote or recommend any investment or trading action. United Parcel Service is scheduled to release its earnings for Q2 2023 on August 8, 2023 before market open. There is a recent headlines where United Parcel reached a tentative agreement in late July after the contract negotiations between United Parcel and its union workers was watched, averting a strike that would have created a major headache for the global economy. United Parcel would be expected to post an EPS of $2.49, a drop of 24% YoY, on revenue of $23.1 billion, drop of 6.7% YoY. What I would be looking out for in this earning reports is United Parcel's explanation on how they are going to deal with rising costs, which is tied to a new deal with the Teamsters. This rising costs could play a part in what would be United Parcel EPS. I am expecting a lower EPS in the range of 2.45 to 2.49. In this video, I will be analyzing its Q2 earnings release by looking at United Parcel fundamental data as well as the technical analysis on how UPS shares have been trading in recent weeks. United Parcel Service, UPS, earnings data. Like what I have shared above, I am expecting the EPS to met $2.49 or go lower until $2.45. The reason is because United Parcel might have incurred rising costs with a new deal. The important thing I feel to look out for is how United Parcel will come up with plan to reduce the rising costs. Or maybe there are some other initiatives which could bring in new revenue stream. United Parcel Service, UPS, earnings history. Based on Q1 result, United Parcel actually matched the forecast EPS. I think Q2 result might be no difference. There is a chance of the EPS going lower than $2.49 considering that there is a rising costs concern of its new deal. United Parcel Service, UPS, year-to-date earnings. United Parcel has returned more than 5% of growth YTD, but what is concerning would be how United Parcel would be managing its rising costs situation. An estimate of $1 billion in additional costs, which includes a material 30% plus jump in part-timer wages, can be expected. This will have an impact not only on its revenue, it will also have significant impact on its cash flow. United Parcel Service, UPS, financial overview. With an estimated of $1 billion additional costs, like what I have mentioned in previous section, I believe it will further reduce United Parcel revenue. This could also continue to diminish United Parcel cash flow, leaving very little or even negative for investing. I would be looking at the cash flow as I foresee there will be a huge reduction in its free cash flow. United Parcel Service, UPS, sentiment analysis. Investors has maintained a neutral sentiment, but we can see that they are reducing their portfolios by 1.1% in the last 7 days, though there was an increase of 0.9% in the last 30 days. I believe investors would be offloading their shares closer to the earnings date. United Parcel Service, UPS, hedge funds holdings. In the last quarter, hedge funds have increased their holdings, but the amount is less than 1 million. Considering the market size of United Parcel, this might not be significant to make any impact. I believe hedge funds and investors would be adopting a wait-and-see attitude before deciding if they were to load more of United Parcel shares. Rising costs can be a huge concern as it is an OPEX which could not be delayed because of lack of financing. Technical analysis, simple moving averages, SMA. United Parcel is currently in a bear trend and price is about to touch SMA 50. If the price after the earnings goes below SMA 50, this normally indicate a long bearish downside for quite some time. Technical analysis, Relative Strength Index, RSI. RSI momentum looks good and it is moving towards the oversold. This might indicate that investors are looking to buy more of United Parcel shares. But one big concern is still the rising costs of an estimated $1 billions. The plan on how United Parcel is going to handle this is crucial. I will be monitoring the price action closely in case of a good entry price if United Parcel have managed to find a way to fund its rising costs. Technical analysis, Average Directional Index, ADX. ADX is between 20 and 40, which indicate a developing trend, and plus D is above D by small margin, which suggests that trend is not strong. There is a tendency for United Parcel to fall into a weak trend in the event that there is a huge reduction of the revenue due to increased rising costs. Technical analysis, Parabolic SAR, SAR. SAR show that United Parcel have a bearish reversal near end of July. This has continued to be a bearish trend. This could get worse if there is indeed a report showing that operating cost for United Parcel is very high. I would monitor how United Parcel would be trading on August 7th and August 8th pre-market before its earnings. Summary. From what I have observed, United Parcel is already in a bear trend recently, and the recent settlement with union workers might shed some hopes to get things moving again. The concerns of rising costs have not been addressed till date, hence I believe this is something the market will be looking at. I will continue to monitor and see how United Parcel earnings report tell. Appreciate if you could share your thoughts in the comment section whether you think United Parcel would announce a plan on how to reduce their rising costs from a new deal. Disclaimer. This video is only for technical education purpose. Results does not promote or recommend any investment or trading action. Please like, share and comment on this video. Appreciate your support.